Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we will do the MCQ of class 9 History chapter 1 French Revolution. In this video, you will find 50 MCQs. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. First, I will read the question. After a few seconds, I will tell you the correct answer. Okay, let's start our video. Question 1. Who was the King of France at the time of French Revolution? Option A. Napoleon Bonaparte. B. Louis XVI. C. Louis XV. D. Nicholas I. Correct option is B. Louis XVI. Question 2. What was livre? Option A. A unit of currency in France. B. A tax levied by the church. C. A group of privileged people. D. A tax to be paid directly to the state. Correct option is A. A unit of currency in France. Question 3. What was style known as? Option A. Direct land tax. B. Indirect tax. C. Agricultural produce. D. Extreme poverty. Correct option is A. Direct land tax. Question 4. Which of the following state of French society paid all the taxes? Option A. First state. B. Second state. C. Third state. D. All A, B and C. Correct option is C. Third state. Question 5. Who is the author of two treaties of government? Option A. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. B. Montesquieu. C. Mirabeau. D. John Locke. Correct option is D. John Locke. Question 6. Who constituted the third state? Option A. Philosopher and authors. B. Clergy and nobility. C. Peasants and artisans. D. Illiterate men and women. Correct option is C. Peasants and artisans. Question 7. For what purpose did Louis XVI call together an assembly of the State General on 5th May 1789 to pass proposal for abolishing the feudal system, to pass proposal for new taxes, to pass proposal for new price index, to give the poor their due rights? Correct option is B. To pass proposal for new taxes. Question 8. Whose name is associated with the pamphlet called What is the Third State? Option A. Mirabeau. B. John Locke. C. Montesquieu. D. Hébésius. Correct option is Hébésius. Question 9. What did Bastille symbolize as? Option A. A military strength of France. B. Humanity. C. Despotic rule of Louis XVI. D. Louis XVI Cowardice Act. Correct option is C. Despotic rule of Louis XVI. Question 10. When was Bastille destroyed? Option A. 14 July 1789. B. 14 July 1798. C. 2nd July 1789. D. 5th August 1879. Correct option is A. 14 July 1789. Question 11. What was the main objective of Constitution of 1791? Option A. To dethrone the king. B. To limit the power of the king. C. To make the king more powerful. D. To limit the power of the clergy and the nobility. Correct option is B. To limit the power of the king. Question 12. What was scepter? Option A symbol of strength. B. A symbol of eternity. C. A symbol of deep knowledge. D. A symbol of royal power. Correct option is D. A symbol of royal power. Question 13. What are the national color of France flag? Option A. White, red and purple. B. Blue, red and black. C. Blue, white and red. D. Red, yellow and green. Correct option is C. Blue, white and red. Question 14. By whom was Frisian cap worn and on what occasion? Option A. By a man on becoming a slave. B. By a man on becoming free. C. By a slave on becoming victorious. D. By a soldier on accepting defeat. Correct option is B. By a slave on becoming free. Question 15. What was the Marseillaise? Option A slogan. B. A type of hat. C. A patriotic song. D. A romantic song. Correct option is C. A patriotic song. Question 16. When was France declared a republic? Option A on 21st September 1792. B on 21st May 1792. C on 21st September 1793. D on 5th August 1793. Correct option is A on 21st September 1792. Question 17. Whose name is associated with the Reign of Terror? Option A Robespierre. B Mirabeau. C Napoleon Bonaparte. D Dr. Guillotine. Correct option is A Robespierre. Question 18. Which right is given to the French women in 1946? Option A. Right to hold political offices. B. Right to get education. C. Right to divorce. D. Right to vote. Correct option is D. Right to vote. Question 19. Which among the following was not introduced by Napoleon Bonaparte? Option A. Decimal system. B. Slavery. C. A uniform system of weight and measures. D. A law for the protection of private property. Correct option is B. Slavery. Question 20. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as option A. Reign of Terror. B. Old regime. C. Subsistence crisis. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Reign of Terror. Question number 21. Robespierre was sent to guillotine in option A. Feb 1794. B. July 1794. C. March 1794. D. June 1794. Correct option is B. 1794. Question 22. In France, after fall of Jacobin, the type of government established was option A. Monarchy. B. Dictatorship. C. Directory rule. D. Republic. Correct option is C. Directory rule. Question 23. The man who ruled France after failure of directory rule. Option A. Napoleon Bonaparte. B. Bismarck. C. Seleucus. D. Hitler. Correct option is A. Napoleon Bonaparte. Question 25. Slavery was abolished in France in option A. 1898, B. 1847, C. 1848, D. 1884. Correct option is C. 1848. Question 26. The Indians who responded to the ideas coming from the revolutionary France were option A. Tipu Sultan, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Question 27. The fortress prison of France was called option A. Versailles, B. Livres, C. Bastille, D. Marseilles. Correct option is C. Bastille. Question 28. What did Rousseau preach? Option A. There should not be no social contract between the state and the monarch. B. There should be no relation between the state and the monarch. C. There is a social contract between the state and the monarch. D. The state should be divided into legislative, executive and judiciary for administration. Correct option is C. There is a social contract between the state and the monarch. Question 29. Tax levied by the church comprising 1/10 of agricultural produce during old regime was called option A. Tithe, B. Manorial dues, C. Federal dues, D. Tithe. Correct option is A. Tithe. Question 30. The Spirit of the Laws was written by option A. John Locke, B. Montesquieu, C. Louis XV, D. Rousseau. Correct option is B. Montesquieu. Question 31. Abbassius was a option A. Philosopher, B. Ruler, C. Writer, D. Peasant. Correct option is C. Writer. Question 32. The citizens entitled to vote were called option A. Active citizen, B. National Assembly, C. Senior citizen, D. Electors. Correct option is A. Active citizen. Question 33. The bundle of roads represented option A. Freedom, B. Unity, C. Royal power, D. Knowledge. Correct option is B. Unity. Question 34. The leader of Jacobin Club was option A. Rousseau, B. John Locke, C. Louis XVI, D. Robespierre. Correct option is D. Robespierre. Question 35. What did Montesquieu propose? Option A. He proposed the division of separation of power. B. He opposed the theory of separation of power. C. He proposed a division of power between legislature, executive and judiciary. D. None of them. Correct option is C. He proposed a division of power between legislature, executive and judiciary. Question 36. Which of the following was the two leaders of National Assembly of France? Option A. Mirabeau and Voltaire, B. Mirabeau and Rousseau, C. Mirabeau and Montesquieu, D. Mirabeau and Abbassius. Correct option is D. Mirabeau and Abbassius. Question 37. Name the French revolutionary who edited the newspaper L'Ami du Peuple. It means the friend of the people. Option A, Jean-Paul Marat. B, Voltaire. C, Hébésius. D, Montesquieu. Correct option is A, Jean-Paul Marat. Question 38. What is directory? Option A, it was executive made up from third state of French society. B, it was executive made up from the member of French parliament. C, it was executive made up of 5 members. D, it was an elected body by the French citizen. Correct option is C, it was executive made up of 5 members. Question 39. Which event gave the idea of liberty, freedom and equality? Option A, Glorious Revolution of 1688. B, the French Revolution. D, the Russian Revolution. D, the American War of Independence. Correct option is B, the French Revolution. Question 40. Name the philosopher who sought to refute the doctrine of divine and absolute right to monarch in France. Option A, John Locke. B, Rousseau. C, Voltaire. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, John Locke. Question 41. Which group of people did not join the Jacobin Club? Option A, artisans. B, shopkeepers. C, daily wages workers. D, men with property. Correct option is D, men with property. Question 42. A triangular slave trade took place between Europe, America and option A, Africa. B, Asia. C, Australia. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, Africa. Question 43. Who were not considered as passive citizen? Option A, women. B, children. C, men without property. D, wealthy men. Correct option is wealthy men. Question 44. The third state comprised option A, poor servant, small peasant and landless laborer. B, pop of church. C, big businessmen, merchant and lawyers. D, all of the above. Correct option is A, poor servant, small peasants, landless laborers. Question 45. How does a subsistence crisis happen? Option A, bad harvest leads to scarcity of grains. B, food prices rises and the poorest cannot buy bread. C, leads to weaker bodies, diseases, death and even food riots. D, all of the above. Correct option is all of the above. Question 46. A guillotine was a fine sword with which head were cut off. B, device consisting of 2 poles and a blade with which a person was beheaded. C, a special hook to hang people. D, none of the above. Correct option is B, device consisting of 2 poles and a blade with which a person was beheaded. Question 47. What was State General? Option A, post of Army General. B, head of all landed property. C, a political body. D, advisor of the king. Correct option is C, a political body. Question 48. The term old regime is usually used to describe option A, France before 1000 BC. B, Society of France after 1789 AD. C. Society and institutions of France before 1789 AD. D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Society and institutions of France before 1789 AD. Question 49. Which of these provisions were passed by the Assembly by the night of 4th August 1789? Option A. Abolition of feudal system of obligations. B. Clergy had to give up its privileges. C. Tithe were abolished. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 50. Which states in France were exempted from paying taxes? Option A. First state. B. The second state. C. First and second state both. D. The third state. Correct option is C. First and second state both. Thank you. Thank you so much.